Una good morning all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A Adeboye write. Today na Tuesday, 23rd of January 2024 and our topic today na friends wey strong pass brothers. Our memory verse dey Proverbs chapter 18 verse 24 wey talk say person wey get friends must dey friendly well well, but some friends go dey close to you pass your own brother. And the Bible reading dey for 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 1 to 4 and e talk say when David don talk to Saul finish, he and Jonathan come turn tight friends. Jonathan like David as he like himself. That day Saul take David and he no let am go house go meet him papa. Jonathan come make covenant with David because he love am as he love him own life. Jonathan remove the gown wey he wear come give am to David, plus him gear, him sword, him bow and even him belt. Now the message. Friendship na topic wey dey very sensitive to talk about, especially this last day so wey many people like theirself pass another person. We fit see that one for 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 to 2. For all this wahala wey dey happen, everybody still need better friends. Some friends fit dey close to you pass your own brother sef. You need one or two of those kind friends for your life. Those kind friends go wahala you well well, make you fit do more things for Baba God, and na dem dey always tell you true even when other people dey fear to tell you true. Dem be the kind people wey be say dem go support you if you need help. For Acts chapter 3 verse 1 wey talk say Peter and John go temple. If you come dey ask yourself, after the Holy Spirit fall for 120 people for Acts chapter 2, why e be say na only these two people na im Bible talk about well well? The reason be say dem be Jesus friends and dem dey dey with am all the time. There be three for that carcass: Peter, James and John. Out of these three people so, na only Peter and John dey very close to Jesus even before he die. If una read John chapter 13 verse 21 to 26, for last supper when Jesus talk say somebody go betray am but he no tell them who the person be, Peter call John go one side come tell am say make you go ask Jesus who the person wey go betray am be. This one be example of friend wey you fit ask make him pray for you about some kind matter wey you no understand, and the person go hear from Baba God about that matter for you. After Jesus don die and he don wake up from dead, the connection wey dey between them come grow well well pass before. Reason be say for John chapter 20 verse 1 to 8, when Mary Magdalene, when she notice say Jesus don wake up from dead, na so she run go tell all Jesus disciples dem. Na two of him disciples run go the grave wey dem be bury am put, and those two people na Peter and John. E dey sweet belle say John na him write this story and he talk say na him run pass Peter reach the burial ground first. In fact, he talk am 2 times. Me sef, I dey always dey surprise. I even come dey ask, why you dey even tell us say na you run pass Peter sef? E dey clear say dem dey do competition among each other for the person wey love Jesus pass. Una need friends wey be say una fit dey do competition among una sef for who fit pray for long pass, who fit read Bible pass, who fit bring unbeliever come God side pass, and other things join. The kind competition wey dey between Peter and John strong well well, and na because dem be Jesus friends. Una need friends wey be say their connection with una na because say una get the same connection with Jesus Christ. The thing wey make we think about for this message today be say una get one friend who dey always dey challenge una make una come close to Baba God. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
The bright and morning star, he's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul.